Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to install Elasticsearch on Linux Ubuntu operating system. Before we get started with the installation process, let's brief discuss what Elasticsearch is. Basically, Elasticsearch is a distributed open source search and analytics engine designed for scalability, reliability, and ease of use. It is widely used for logging, full text search, business analytics, and many more. And by the end of this video, you will learn how to install Elasticsearch, configure Elasticsearch for local testing, and verify the installation and run Elasticsearch on your browser. So let's get started. First, we find the Elasticsearch installation guide. For that, I will open Mozilla Firefox and search for Elasticsearch in the search bar. Here is the official website of Elasticsearch. Next, I will go to resources and click on documentation. From here, I will click on the Elasticsearch guide. Then click on setup Elasticsearch and finally click on installing Elasticsearch. Now I will choose the install Elasticsearch with Debian package. Here are the 4 commands we need to run to install Elasticsearch. So let's copy and execute these one by one. First, we will add the GPG key for Elasticsearch. This command downloads and stores the key used to verify the integrity of Elasticsearch packages. Next, we will install the apt transport HTTPS package to allow HTTPS package retrieval. This is essential for fetching Elasticsearch packages securely. Now we will add the Elasticsearch repository to our system. This command tells the system where to fetch Elasticsearch packages. And finally, we will update the package list and install Elasticsearch. This command updates the package index and install Elasticsearch. This might take a few minutes to complete. Once the installation is complete, we need to enable and start the Elasticsearch service. This command is used to reload the system daemon to apply changes. Then enable Elasticsearch.service. This command is used to enable Elasticsearch to start automatically on boot. And then this command is used to start the Elasticsearch service. Sudo systemctl start elasticsearch.service. For local testing, we need to disable security setting in Elasticsearch. So to do this, navigate the configuration directory using cd space slash etc slash Elasticsearch. Enter. If you get a permission denied error, modify the permission of the directory. So for that cd space slash etc enter. Now change the permission. So for that sudo space chmod space 777 space Elasticsearch slash. Now navigate the directory again. Cd space Elasticsearch slash. Let's check the files in this directory. So next, modify the elasticsearch.yml file. Before that, we need to change the permission for elasticsearch.yml file. So for that, we sudo space chmod space 777 space elasticsearch.yml. Now to modify the elasticsearch.yml file, sudo space nano space elasticsearch.yml. In this file, locate expect.security.enable and expect.security.enrollment.enable. So change this true to false. Once done, press Ctrl plus X and type Y and press enter to save and exit. And then restart Elasticsearch for the changes to take effect. To restart Elasticsearch, type sudo space systemctl space restart space elasticsearch.service. Now to verify the Elasticsearch is running, run curl space localhost colon 9200. Now you will see JSON response indicating that Elasticsearch is up and running. Alternatively, you can open your browser and type localhost colon 9200, and here is the same response in your browser. That's it for this tutorial. You have successfully installed and configured Elasticsearch on Ubuntu. We explored the official Elasticsearch documentation, installed Elasticsearch using Debian package, configured it for local testing, and verified the installation. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.